My dear brothers and sisters, please be assured of my prayers and my gratitude for your support of this most worthy of causes. It is 27 years since Pope St. John Paul II coined the term culture of death in his encyclical Evangelium Vitae, or the Gospel of Life. Since then, we have all been witness to a continued dimming of the light across our culture, including in the fields of healthcare and medical ethics. And yet, as the prologue of St. John's Gospel correctly states, the light shines in the darkness, and the darkness has not overcome it. Hence, amid the encircling gloom, we have also been witness to a burgeoning number of beacons guiding us toward a new culture of life and civilization of love. One of those is the Saint Padre Pio School for the Relief of Suffering, College of Osteopathic Medicine. That is why I heartily encourage you to be generous with your prayer, your penances, your time, and your treasure in support of this very noble and very necessary initiative. So thank you very much. God bless you. And St. Pio of Pietrelcina, pray for us.